coração tem um jardim. No meu coração ele veio pra passear. No meu jardim veio pra derramar da água da vida. Tem um jardim no coração, tem um jardim no meu coração. Ele veio pra passear. No meu jardim veio pra derramar da água da vida. Deixa gerar flores, flores no coração. Deixa gerar flores, flores. Deixa gerar flores, flores no coração. Deixa gerar flores, flores. Da flor o fruto, fruto do Espírito, que é o amor, a alegria, a paz, paciência, delicadeza, bondade, fidelidade, a humildade também, domínio próprio, pois contra esses não existe lei. Deixa gerar flores, flores no coração. Deixa gerar flores, flores. Deixa gerar flores, flores no coração. Deixa gerar flores, flores.
Whoa! Woo! Yeah! Alright, wait a minute. I got hit. Wow! That works. That's action. Right there. Get a belt up. Huh? He wants the video.
You don't want it? I want to take it. Here.
Yeah.
Put that on. I'll shoot your video.
Thanks.
Yeah, Hundell, you take it. Yeah, Hundell, you take it.
Give it to Kate. No, you take it. You take it.
Go ahead, Bruce, go ahead.
And I'm off. You're off.
Wow.
No, I just want to get out of the way.
Oh, no.
It's off.
Yeah, he actually hit me, Glenn. And then
He got hit.
Your teaser okay on that side, Bruce? Yep. Yeah, too far, what's that? Yeah, too far,
Wow, the
I
dolphin.
don't want to get that big weight swinging. Yeah, I understand that. In case he's stepping on that.
Wow, unbelievable.
Following him.
He's following the.
He's hungry.
The skipjack?
Well, the one that hit you definitely was.
That was a
bigger.
two. I saw it.
That was bigger because he took line. This one didn't take much.
Watch out, Case. Get mad at that fish, girl. Just get mad. First he wants to eat him.
Even if it's a skipjack?
I'm thinking that could get.
Hey, Casey.
This is on the small belly, Joe. And that was only the second time I brought it up. I usually go 3 times and my arms wore out. You alright?
Yeah.
Wow.
like big ones, to be honest with you. I like small ones.
Got
the little shoulders now.
Yeah, you come on over. Keep it clear.
Oh.
Muscles over there. Gotta get back to the gym, girl. You're gaining on me. It can't be too damn far. Ahead. I can't see you. Right.
Is he calling yet?
No.
There he is. Third one. You got double line.
And then you can roll.
You just saw the boat.
Let me.
I'm almost in that deep.
Oh.
Hey.
Not done. Shit. Okay, she's not done. Bruce,
It's
give me
tired.
a little bit. It's good. That's good, thanks.
She's tired.
Take off. She said it's right out. It's almost in the teeth.
Oh, I missed that shot.
Woo! Albacore.
Whoa.
Oh, baby. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Albacore.
Oh, yeah.
We don't have any funky music playing, do we? I can't operate without music.
Now we can dance.
This ain't me, J-Ho.
Hey, Casey. Pretty work, baby.
Nice job.
Yeah.
Look that damn big because somebody ran that fast.
Let me see, guys.
It's another one of these. There we go.
Yeah.
Sorry, we only
Right. Hey, he squeezed that line out like he was a big boy.
Yeah.
That's okay. We'll take them.
It's a keeper?
Yeah. It is now.
He's an awesome God, he reigns from heaven above with wisdom, power, and love. Our God is an awesome God.